Alright, so one of the items you're going to get for this rollout is a full-size mannequin to display freeze out and heat out on. The mannequin comes complete in a box with all the parts and pieces. As you can see here, you've got the base piece with a couple of parts that attach to the base. You've got the mannequin itself, which comes in 7 pieces. This piece here fits between the lower part of the mannequin and the upper part, helps to hold that together. And this is the piece that helps the mannequin attach to the base itself. The only tool you're going to need for this is a Phillips screwdriver. When you assemble the base, there's a couple things that are important here. Number one, you've got a beveled, recessed hole on one side of the base. That's going to allow the screw to actually sit flush. So when the mannequin is standing up, the base sits nice and flat on the floor. You've got your washer that fits over the top of the screw, and then the stud that'll screw onto this. Be sure these are nice and tight, as this is the primary support mechanism for the mannequin. So you're going to dress the mannequin as you assemble it. First thing you're going to do is put the right leg into the pant. Leg. And then we'll slide the left leg into the pant leg. And then attach the right leg to the main portion and lock it together. Then you're going to locate the hole for the support rod. It'll be pretty snug, so you may have to give it a couple of good whacks until it's seated completely. Make sure everything's nice and tight. Once you've got the base assembled, you're going to thread this piece into the base. Just get it nice and snug. You don't want to over tighten it. They're plastic parts, so this will help attach the torso to the base. Again, you've got a little keyway right here that latches into the base here that'll help lock this together. Get that lined up, a little twist, and everything lines up. So putting the arms on the mannequin is pretty simple. You've got a tab right here that fits into a slot that's on the shoulder of the upper torso of the mannequin. The tricky part here is you're actually going to fish the arm through the neck of the garment. And down into the sleeve. Work it around to the shoulder. You can feel the tab drop into the slot. For the freeze out glove, you're going to use size large. Install it on the glove before install it on the hand before the hand is installed onto the arm. You've got a threaded piece here that fits into the arm. Once it starts to get snug, Just bring it around until it's anatomically lined up. You're good to go. You've got the body shield, face mask, or the head warmer. Everything zipped up, looking good.
Okay. Discontinued, yeah.